And now we're going to cover receiving single payments for multiple customers. This feature is useful when you receive a single payment but need to apply the payment to invoices from different customers. To turn this on, you need to go to Accounts Receivable Configuration and scroll down to Enable Single Payments for Multiple Customers and hit Save. Okay, so now we need to go set up the payment sequence. So you might have to do this in your setup there. I already have set one up, but AR payments, you could do something like that to set that up. We're going to hit Save up here. Okay, so now let's navigate over to the cash receipts area. This screen will pop up. You'll see one customer invoices, parent and child, or multiple. If you pick multiple here and hit show, you're going to get a list now of all customers, and you can then apply payments to the various invoices. We'll hit add and close here. And now you can do your normal cash receipt process.